Hi everyone, welcome to the Mary Kay Building. I'm Ryan Rogers, Chief Executive Officer and Mary Kay Ash's grandson. My grandmother started this company nearly 60 years ago with a mission to enrich women's lives. As we enter our 60th anniversary year and reflect on her vision for this company, we wanted to give you some insights into how she worked with a look inside her office. Here to help show you around is Shelby Portwood from our Mary Kay US social media team.
Thanks, Ryan. I'm honored to be your tour guide today. Come on in. We are currently on the 13th floor of Mary Kay's global headquarters in Addison, Texas, just outside of Dallas. While the 13th floor might seem a little unusual, Mary Kay Ash started her company on Friday the 13th in September 1963, so for her, 13 was a lucky number. It's no surprise that her office is here on this floor. Her office is beautifully maintained, just as it was when she led the company. This is a special place because it's the physical space that held the dreams of Mary Kay Ash, who is a trailblazing entrepreneur revolutionizing the way that women do business, and her lasting legacy has made her an icon. The first thing that catches your eye when you walk in is her desk. Mary Kay believed in collaboration, and she was intentional about that with her office. This is called a partner's desk. And as you can see, it's identical on both sides. So someone could easily sit here and work in partnership with her. She loved being on both sides of the desk, making others feel close to her. She was also known for taking off her heels while she worked. And she always kept a spare pair of flats in her drawer, just in case she needed them. She also loved the semicircle shape of her couch to make sure that everyone felt welcome and included. She would frequently talk about how she imagined everyone she met wearing an invisible sign around their neck that said, "Make me feel important." Now, you may not have guessed this from looking around, but pink was not Mary Kay Ash's favorite color before starting the company. In 1963, almost every home in the United States had a white bathroom. When choosing colors for her products, Mary Kay wanted product packaging that looked so attractive that women would want to leave it out on display. She looked at several different colors and decided that a soft, delicate pink looked best in combination with the white bathrooms. And that's how our pink DNA was born. One of the most special decorations in this office is the golden peacock from Mexico. In 1978, Mary Kay traveled to Acapulco, where she was a keynote speaker at a Cadillac convention. There, she found the brass peacock by artist Sergio Bustamante and purchased it for her office. Now, I want to draw your attention to the ceramic and porcelain figures that Mary Kay collected. Most of these were given to her as gifts over the years from her family, husband, and independent beauty consultants. This was one of Mary Kay's favorite pieces. Made in 1950, it was a gift from her husband, Mel Ash. He had the plaque placed on it to which lovingly states, "To a living Madonna from a loving and devoted husband." For the 14 years of their marriage, he gave her a gift every Thursday because they had been married on a Thursday. One of Mary Kay's special requests when building her office was a powder room. You've got to see this. The wallpaper in here is stunning. You'll note the MKs and the bumblebees. The bumblebee became an iconic symbol of our company when Mary Kay's husband gave her a bumblebee pin as one of his Thursday gifts. Mary Kay Ash learned that the bees should not be able to fly due to the size of their bodies and their small wings, but as Mary Kay said, they forgot to tell the bumblebee that, and he went right on flying. She felt the bumblebee was a perfect symbol for women who have flown right to the top. I also want to highlight the angel-shaped 14-karat gold-plated faucets on the sink, and one of my favorite features, this beautiful mirror. Mary Kay Ash was really ahead of her time when knowing a great spot for a mirror selfie. Before we wrap our tour, I want to leave you with Mary Kay's favorite poem. I have a premonition that soars on silver wings. It is a dream of your accomplishment, of many wondrous things. I do not know beneath which sky, nor where you will challenge fate. I only know it will be high. I only know it will be great. For Mary Kay Ash, this poem represented the dream of her company, to see thousands and thousands of women enriching their lives. And we're looking forward to the next 60 years and beyond.